It can take 1 billion years for a diamond to form deep within the heart of the planet and then travel to its surface. A diamond has been on an incredible journey before a human hand ever touches it. So shouldn't you make sure that the hand you choose to trust with your diamonds is the right one? One of the leading diamond jewelry manufacturers in the world, Nsuli brings diamonds from the mine to your finger. This is Antwerp's famous diamond markets, where Nsuli's trading company, Nsuli NV, proudly keeps a stand at the yearly fair. As the world's largest diamond market, over 84% of the world's uncut stones move through the Antwerp Bourse, and Nsuli works hard to ensure that the very best of them become their diamonds. It's a mark of Nsuli's position within the diamond industry that they have this stand. Only the very biggest and best companies are allowed to represent themselves here. Nsuli is renowned as a rough diamond dealer and diamond cutter. It's of course key for Nsuli to be here to ensure they get the high standard of stones they demand. All Nsuli diamonds are from ethical, legitimate sources and are conflict-free. A short walk through the famous and high-security Antwerp Diamond District brings you to Nsuli NV's office. Here they conduct the business of buying and selling diamonds year-round, putting each and every stone through intense examination to make sure they are of the highest quality. Diamonds are measured with the famous 4 C's: clarity, color, carat and cut. Clarity of diamonds changes because most diamonds contain natural crystal-like inclusions. The number of these, their size and their position changes the stone's value. The clearer a diamond, the more rare. The more rare, the more valuable. The second C, carat, is perhaps the most famous. Carats are the unit of weight for diamonds. There are 100 points in each carat and 5 carats in a gram. The color differences between 2 diamonds can be dramatic. Diamonds are measured using a color scale between D, entirely colorless, and Z, a light yellow. Stones at the far ends of this scale are the most valuable because, again, they are the most rare. As ever, our founder, renowned diamond expert Atef Nsuli, is on hand to oversee trade. A self-made man, Mr. Nsuli turned his childhood fascination with precious stones into one of the Middle East's most important businesses in the field, and a front-runner in the Lebanese jewelry market. It was Mr. Nsuli who, after studying gemology in the US, returned to Beirut to open the Atelier Nsuli in the center of Beirut, and who has built the company up over the past 30 years to a state-of-the-art factory exporting to countries all over the world. The lucky stones selected to be Nsuli diamonds are given an even more detailed examination before being cut while in Antwerp using up-to-the-minute technology and expert precision. Cut is the single most important element in bringing out the true beauty of a diamond. It takes incredible expertise and precision to release the sparkle and brilliance that makes diamonds so beautiful. Having received the world-renowned HRH or GIA diamond certificates, it's time for the exhaustively selected and beautifully cut diamonds to be brought back to Lebanon. Once the diamonds are back at the headquarters of the award-winning Unsuli Jewelry in Beirut, the creative process begins. Expert eyes examine every diamond, deciding which should go where. Some are suited to becoming the centerpiece of a wonderful ring, others a stunning bracelet, but as is right for objects of such beauty, it's the diamonds themselves that provide the inspiration. Once the decisions have been made, the incredibly talented design team start to work their magic. Unsuli wants to make sure their designers are the very best, so they are sent to receive education and expert training in Belgium and Italy. Here we see a concept being worked up for an extremely intricate necklace with a striking pendant at its center. The next step takes place at the stone sorting department, where the perfect diamond is found for each element the designer has dreamt up. So the stones have finished their long journey to reach Unsuli, and a design has been created by the talented in-house team. So now it's time to start manufacturing the gold pieces that will be needed. To do this, Unsuli uses the very latest cutting-edge technology available. This means they can ensure the highest level of accuracy possible. Here, a CAD/CAM system is being used, which allows designs to be created in an exact virtual model, and that model to be communicated directly to the machines that will bring it into existence. A 3D printer helps produce the mold from which the necklace's gold pieces will be cast. Unsuli was the first company to introduce 3D printing in the Middle East when they installed it at their headquarters, and it provides accuracy to the very tiniest degree. These settings can then be duplicated in wax, so there are as many as are needed to construct what is called a tree. Once the tree is ready and all the pieces have been modelled in wax, a special heat-resistant plaster is poured around it. When the plaster is set, it is put into an oven and heated to an extremely high temperature. The wax melts and runs out, leaving a space to pour in molten gold. A bath disintegrates the plaster, revealing the intricate design left behind. It will be polished and prepared for setting. At every level, all the people working on Unsuli designs are experts at what they do. It allows the company to make sure they are proud to put their name to every product that leaves the doors. And it's not just the one-off atelier pieces from which the company demands this exacting standard, since, thanks to their commitment to getting the most up-to-date technology possible, they can make larger runs of products and ensure that they are entirely identical and of the highest quality possible. Here, one of Nsuli's mechanical engineer team uses the CAD/CAM software to render a pendant design in 3D. He then takes that design in digital format and hands it over to one of Nsuli's skilled machine operators, who are using one of the highly advanced 5-axis CNC milling machines, again, the first of their kind in the region. Here we have a Xenon wire EDM machine, which allows Nsuli to machine make intricate iron molds. This is a job that is usually sent outside to specialist companies, as most jewelers do not have the capacity to do it themselves. But this can be a source of security and plagiarism problems, not to mention time delays. So Nsuli decided to invest in keeping this important job in-house. They even have a range of different size machines to make sure they have the right tool for every job and there are no delays. Here is a smaller CNC machine hard at work. But despite the confidence Nsuli has that its high-tech machinery provides a level of perfection it's near impossible to beat, every piece that comes off the production line still goes through rigorous quality control. Any additions that need to be attached are laser welded into place in a process that offers a high-quality precision finish. After which, it's off to get buffed and polished. A diamond distributor will then sort precisely the right amount of diamonds for the right piece. And now, the big moment, the diamond setting. Here we are back with the beautiful atelier piece, which sits in a wax support as the diamonds are painstakingly moved into place. While this is a larger piece, Nsuli are proud to have the equipment needed to produce immaculate micro settings too. Finally, the stunning atelier piece takes a well-earned bath, this time for rhodium plating, used to bring out the brilliance in the metal and protect it against scuffs. The birth of another masterpiece. Finally, the exquisite creation is complete. Unsurprisingly, given how beautiful their pieces are, Nsuli is proud to sell them directly, as well as shipping pieces to dealers all over the world. At their headquarters, they have a boutique and showroom staffed by expert team who like nothing better than helping customers find the perfect piece. And they are delighted to receive all diamond lovers. They cater for budgets from small gift items all the way up to royal standard jewelry. And for their many customers who value their privacy as they make their selections, they have comfortable VIP rooms to cater to them. Here, our clients can make choices in seclusion and at their own speed. Nsuli loves diamonds, and they want all their clients to understand exactly what they're buying and to love them as much as they do. So they go to great lengths to explain the different variations and types of diamonds on offer. They're always keen to go through those famous 4 Cs with every customer. That way, Nsuli customers make their decisions from a position of knowledge and confidence, which means they will get exactly the right piece for them. Of course, they also take very special commissions, like this one, where no difficult decisions are necessary, because sometimes it's just love at first sight. And so, another happy customer leaves with another exquisite Nsuli masterpiece. Nsuli, from the mine to your finger.